Question 8. We've got a cylinder sitting on a floor and we're given the height of the cylinder and we're also given the volume. And we're told that the pressure that it exerts on the floor is equal to the force divided by the area. They've told us the force, so to find the pressure, we need to know the area of the base of the cylinder. And that we're going to have to find from the volume and the height. Let's have a go at it. So the volume is equal to the area multiplied by the height, which in our case, well, we don't know the area, so let's just call that A, multiplied by 40. And we're told that is equal to 1200. Rewriting this, I get that A is equal to 120 divided by 4, which is 30. So now we turn to the formula that they've given us for pressure, which is equal to force over area. So therefore, P is equal to the force, which we're told is 90, over 30. The zeros cancel, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. The pressure will be 3, and it's in units of newtons per centimetre squared. The force divided by the area. And that's your answer.